Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how AI images are created? Well, today I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you how I bring my own creative visions to life using AI tools like MidJourney. It all starts with a prompt. So here in the Discord app, now you can also use MidJourney on the website itself. I'm going to type in a rustic cabin in the woods, glowing warm light from the windows, surrounded by snow and evergreen trees. We're going to make this a watercolor illustration. And then hit enter. So this is where the creativity and the imagination come together. And we wait for that to unfold. I actually should have done this as a fast mode, but it's relaxed mode. It shouldn't take too long. So then you have 4 options, and you could pick which one that you want, which one you like the best. I like them. They all match the prompt. That's where I decide if the prompt is good or not. Did the image give you what you were looking for in the prompt? I like the first one here. I like it a lot because it has the white border on the edge, like as if you would actually paint a watercolor. But number 3 has a nice, it's the shadowing. The shadow kind of doesn't make sense here. Let's go with number 1. That's my first guess of what I like. So from here, I can also upscale it, which will make it bigger and just give it more details and allow you to share it. Or when it's small like that, whenever you try to make it bigger and different things, it can really lose the quality. But if you go ahead and upscale it from here, it gives the quality to it in a bigger format, if that makes sense. Now from here, say for example, I put in this prompt and it didn't give me the results that I wanted, but maybe it was close. I would then redefine the prompt, tweak it, decide what is it that I need to change. Maybe it's an ordering, a phrasing ordering. Maybe I would need to put the second phrase first. That's how I would alter it. Sometimes you can put in a prompt, but the type, like if I wanted it to be a watercolor illustration, sometimes your prompt doesn't always look good as that type of artwork. Maybe it needs to be a photograph, or maybe it needs to be a painting. From here, if there was anything that I decided I didn't want to, didn't like, I would pull this image, I would save it to my computer, and then open it up in Photoshop and make adjustments. You can do that, with coloring, with lighting, and make different adjustments that way. Or go in here and alter, hand paint in Photoshop things that you don't like, or remove objects. And so that's how you would edit your image, by taking it into another app and making those adjustments. For example, now that we see this up close, the fencing doesn't exactly make sense. This post should be here. These, what is happening here? So that would need to be altered. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the creative process behind the scenes with making images in MidJourney, let me know in the comments below. If you've got an idea for a prompt you'd like me to try out, I'd love to see it. Put it in the comments below and I'll try it out and record it and upload it and tag you in it. So thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.